Hi everybody, I will show you how to fix the recliner for sofas or chairs. You try to open this, but it won't open. Something's wrong with that. So what you do, you try to force open it like this. Once you click this, Now, to fix the recliner, you would need a WD-40. Try to put in this metal. So put it in the middle, deep in. Don't forget, get the WD-40. Now, let's try again. Now it's working. So that's all you need, a WD-40. Stop squeaks, losing rust parts. Good product. This is how you fix the recliner. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.